Hi my angels and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Christmas makeup look, specifically a very easy glowy with a little bit of sparkle. This is a super versatile look, so you can switch up the lip with any colour you want to wear, whether that's a bold red or a purple or a nude or a matte. Everything will go with this look. So if you'd like to see how I got this makeup look, then please keep watching. This is so old school YouTuber of me sitting behind my Christmas tree, but it has to be done. First thing is first, my brows are already filled in, but first thing is first is I'm going to prep my skin because I haven't done that this morning. So I'm going to take my Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment and get that onto my under eyes and make sure they're nice and hydrated. Skin prep is honestly so important when doing your makeup, especially when you want it to look natural and glowy. Just look how hydrated my under eyes look. I love it. Now I'm going to move on to moisturizer, and I've actually been picking this up so much, and I believe it's Mario Dedivanovich's like favorite moisturizer to use when prepping so many of his like celebrity clients' skin. And this is the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream that I'm putting onto my face and making sure that's all nice and hydrated as well before moving on to all the makeup. I'll just very quickly pop some lip balm on as well. So I've left that to sit on my skin, and now it's time to do the actual base of my makeup. I'm gonna go in with the Smashbox Halo to add some Luminous Glow to my skin, and this is just gonna add like an underglow before I put on the foundation on top of it. Whenever I want my makeup to look super natural, I always go in with my concealer first before my base. So I'm gonna take the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Concealer and I'm gonna put that onto the usual places where I like to conceal and have a little bit more coverage to my skin, and then blend it all out until it's nice and seamless so you can't see where it starts and finishes. I actually love wearing no base and just concealer these days, and I'd be so happy with this right now, but I am going to put a little bit of a base on so you guys can see what it looks like with like the full look together. For my base, I'm going to use the Ultraviolet SPF 50 Dream Screen Tinted Veil and get that all onto the rest of my skin and really make sure that it's nice and blended and worked into the skin so that it's looking super natural and skin-like. My skin looks so nice and glowy and hydrated. I actually really love this combination. But now I'm going to go and add in a little bit more dimension and depth to my skin. So the first thing I'm going to do is add the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Contour Wand and just start contouring and bronzing the areas that I really love looking like nice and sun-kissed, and make sure that's really nice and blended out as well, and making sure that it's nice and seamless too. I'm going to stick with the cream products and go in with my blush next. So I'm going to use the Drunk Elephant Oh Blues Rosy Drops and get that onto my cheeks and make sure that's also nice and blended out as well. Now time to set everything in place, and I'm taking the It Bye Bye Pores pressed powder to set my under eyes and anywhere I applied my concealer. I'm then going in with my Bahama Mama bronzer and going over all of the areas where I contoured with the Charlotte Tilbury Contour Wand. I can't forget highlights, so I'm taking the Laura Geller highlighter in Gilded Honey and adding that to the usual areas where I want to add some extra glow. I think I'm going to go in with an oldie and a goodie, and that is the Nars Dolce Vita blusher. I haven't used this in years, but I remember being obsessed with this shade, especially like my early years of YouTube, so I'm going to get a little bit of that onto my cheeks as well. Moving on to eyes. Now I saw this on TikTok and I can't remember who did it, so apologies, I can't tag like the account, but I remember seeing it and thinking, oh my god, that looks so pretty. And she got one of the Urban Decay Moon Dust kind of eyeshadows and just kind of dusted it all over her eyelids, and it looked so pretty and glowy and cute, and I think I'm going to do the same thing. So I've got a bunch of like single shades here. I think I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is called Space Cowboy. It's like a really famous shade that Urban Decay do, and I'm going to just dust that over with like a big fluffy brush all over my eyelids. This honestly looks so pretty. I'm actually going to zoom you guys in so you can see like just how pretty and simple it looks. You can totally even smoke like a little bit of eyeliner onto your eyes. But I think I'm just going to leave it like this. I love the way this has turned out. Okay, to complete the eyes, I'm going to add some mascara. So I'm going to take the Bella Wonderlash Ultimate Extreme Drama Mascara and get that onto the top and bottom eyelashes. For lips, I'm going to take my Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip liner as always and top it off with some Kylie Skin lip oil in the shade Pomegranate Grenade to add that kind of Christmassy red feel to the look. And this, you guys, is the end of my really easy, glowy and a little bit of sparkle Christmas makeup look. As always, all the products that I've mentioned will be listed below. Please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment. It really helps me out. Don't forget to follow me on all my other social media accounts. And yeah, I hope you all are having a lovely start to December. And I think that's everything from me. If I have forgotten anything, it'll be in the description box. And yeah, I'm sending you all of the love from my heart to you guys, and I will see you all soon. Bye!